Hi, I'm Joe Hassan, owner at JMH Auto. We've been open since 1996, servicing the Guelph area residents and businesses. I grew up on a farm in the Guelph area. Part of my job was having to fix some of the equipment, and that kind of grew the passion into doing repairs, which led into me opening my own business.
We offer services from everything as simple as an oil change to annual inspections for trucks that need them, any maintenance from front to back on a vehicle, and major or minor, we handle them.
One of the biggest myths that we find our customers have is on their new vehicles, they've either been told or feel they need to go back to the dealership to maintain their warranty, when in fact our computer systems give us the details to make sure the maintenance we're doing on their vehicle keeps their warranty intact and keeps everything up to date.
I like dealing with Joe because he's very honest, the prices are very reasonable, and the workmanship is awesome. I keep coming back because his equipment's updated all the time and his techs are very well trained. Lots of our friends have been referred here because the service is excellent.
We try to make it as comfortable as possible for our customers while they wait. We have a waiting area. We also have free Wi-Fi. They can sit and have a coffee or a glass of water, whatever they like, while we continue with their work.
What we do here, even as something as simple as an oil change, when you come in, it's a licensed service technician. He's going to take your vehicle for a test drive. He's going to get it on the hoist, he's going to check it. We like to think of it as a kind of a mini safety just to make sure your vehicle's intact. So even something as simple as an oil change, we're getting a full inspection on the vehicle. So whether you have a new vehicle, an old vehicle, we would love to hear from you. We use quality parts, offer good old-fashioned service at an honest pricing.